What is Azure Web App? Key features available in Azure Web App applications which can be deployed on Azure Web App. Recommended online resources. Azure Web App is a powerful platform as a service, PaaS, offering provided by Microsoft Azure. It allows developers to build, deploy, and scale web applications quickly and easily. Azure Web App is important because it simplifies the process of hosting and managing web applications, freeing developers from the complexities of infrastructure management and allowing them to focus on building great applications. One of the key benefits of Azure Web App is its scalability. It provides automatic scaling capabilities that allow applications to handle varying levels of traffic. With auto-scaling, the system can dynamically adjust resources based on demand, ensuring optimal performance and responsiveness. This scalability feature is crucial for applications that experience fluctuating traffic patterns or sudden spikes in usage. Another important aspect of Azure Web App is its high availability. It ensures that applications are always accessible and minimizes downtime. Azure Web App achieves this through its distributed infrastructure and redundant systems. It automatically handles hardware and software failures, ensuring that applications remain up and running even in the event of an outage. Azure Web App also offers seamless integration with other Azure services, such as Azure SQL Database, Azure Storage, and Azure Active Directory. This integration allows developers to leverage additional capabilities and services to enhance their applications. For example, Azure Web App can easily connect to a database hosted in Azure SQL Database, enabling efficient data storage and retrieval. Key features available in Azure Web App include 1. Deployment slots. Azure Web App allows the creation of deployment slots, which are separate instances of the application. This feature enables easy testing and staging of new versions of the application before deploying them to production. 2. Continuous deployment. Azure Web App supports continuous deployment from popular source control systems like GitHub, Azure DevOps, and Bitbucket. This feature automates the deployment process, making it faster and more efficient. 3. Custom domains and SSL certificates. Azure Web App allows the mapping of custom domains to the application, providing a personalized and branded experience for users. It also supports the use of SSL certificates to ensure secure communication between the application and its users. 4. Monitoring and diagnostics. Azure Web App provides built-in monitoring and diagnostics capabilities, allowing developers to gain insights into the performance and health of their applications. It offers integration with Azure Application Insights, which provides detailed telemetry and analytics. In summary, Azure Web App is an essential platform for hosting and managing web applications. Its scalability, high availability, and integration with other Azure services make it a powerful tool for developers. With its rich set of features, Azure Web App simplifies the deployment and management of web applications, enabling developers to focus on delivering value to their users. Azure Web App is a versatile platform that supports a wide range of applications. Here are some types of applications that can be deployed on Azure Web App. 1. Web applications. Azure Web App is primarily designed for hosting web applications. Whether you are building a simple static website, a dynamic content-driven application, or a complex e-commerce platform, Azure Web App provides a scalable and reliable environment to deploy and run your web applications. 2. Content management systems, CMS. Popular CMS platforms like WordPress, Drupal, and Joomla can be easily deployed on Azure Web App. These CMS applications require a web server and a database, both of which can be provisioned and managed within Azure Web App. 3. APIs and microservices. Azure Web App is an excellent choice for hosting APIs and microservices. You can deploy RESTful APIs, SOAP-based services, or serverless functions using Azure Functions. Azure Web App provides the necessary infrastructure and scalability to handle API traffic and ensure high availability. 4. Mobile backend services. Azure Web App can serve as a backend for mobile applications. Whether you are building native iOS or Android apps or using cross-platform frameworks like Xamarin or React Native, Azure Web App can provide the necessary APIs and services to support your mobile app's backend functionality. 5. Web jobs and schedule tasks. Azure Web App supports the execution of background tasks and schedule jobs. You can deploy and run tasks like data processing, file cleanup, or database maintenance as part of your web application. Azure Web Jobs and Azure Scheduler can be used to schedule and manage these tasks. 6. Single-page applications, SPA. Azure Web App can host single-page applications built with frameworks like Angular, React, or Vue.js. These applications run entirely in the browser and communicate with backend APIs. Azure Web App can serve the static files and provide the necessary APIs for the SPA to function. 7. Dev/test environments. Azure Web App is an ideal platform for creating development and testing environments. You can easily deploy multiple instances of your application for different stages of the development lifecycle, such as development, staging, and testing. This allows for efficient collaboration and testing before deploying to production. These are just a few examples of the types of applications that can be deployed on Azure Web App. Its flexibility, scalability, and integration with other Azure services make it a versatile platform for hosting a wide range of web-based applications. Recommended online resources to follow for Azure Web App. Here are a few. 1. Microsoft Azure Documentation. The official documentation for Azure Web App is a comprehensive resource that covers all aspects of using and managing Azure Web App. It provides detailed guides, tutorials, and reference materials to help you get started and explore advanced features. 2. Azure Web App Blog. The Azure Web App Blog is a great resource to stay updated with the latest news, updates, and best practices related to Azure Web App. It features articles, case studies, and announcements from the Azure Web App team. 3. Microsoft Learn. Microsoft Learn offers a wide range of interactive, self-paced modules and learning paths specifically designed for Azure services, including Azure Web App. It provides hands-on exercises and practical examples to help you deepen your understanding and skills. 4. Azure Fridays. Azure Fridays is a video series on the Microsoft Azure YouTube channel that covers various Azure services, including Azure Web App. It features demos, interviews, and discussions with Azure experts, providing valuable insights and tips. 5. Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow is a popular online community for developers, and it has a dedicated section for Azure-related questions. You can find answers to common issues, ask your own questions, and learn from the experiences of other developers working with Azure Web App. These resources should provide you with a solid foundation and ongoing support for working with Azure Web App. Remember to always refer to official documentation and trusted sources for accurate and up-to-date information. Thanks for watching.